Greetings everyone. In this case study, we will be talking about the finest example of index match application, and I will be talking about the second part of index formula which we have not touched upon so far. Now this finds application especially in the area of budgeting and financial modeling. So for those interested in these two domains, feel free to delve deep into this case study. Alright. The case study before me talks about two scenarios. One scenario where the data based on region-wise quarterly profit is an audited one, and the second set of data same in nature in terms of sequence and names of region and the quarters, they are unaudited. Now I want from Excel to give me an option to choose from which of these two tables that I can pull the data from based on the inputs given as before, East quarter 303. Now, so if I type in 1, the numbers shall come from the table 1. If I type in 2, the number shall be thrown in from table 2. So how do I post this formula? Let's see. I type in the index formula as usual. Now this time I'll be referring to the next part of the formula which starts from reference. Now what is the reference? Just like previous scenario, this time you have chessboard but not one, in fact two. So this reference helps you choose these two chessboard, and the rule is you have to put those two chessboards separately in a pair of brackets. So chessboard number 1, I choose it, F4, comma, chessboard number 2, F4. So two of these chessboard, in fact multiple chessboards can be thrown in within a pair of brackets. So this is the reference part, comma. Now I need the row number and column numbers. So just like previous case study, I will be putting two match formulas. First match focusing on the vertical common link. So look up value, East, comma, look up array, junior follows senior. So I'm not choosing the entire array, nor am I choosing only half-heartedly. I'll be choosing from region till the total, F4, comma, and 0 for exact match. This was the first match dedicated to row number. I'll type in another match formula, this time looking up at Q303, because that's the common link which is given horizontally. So Q303 chosen, comma, junior follows senior, focusing on the headers, F4, comma, 0, bracket closed. But hey, that was the end if you had followed the first set of index formula. But the next set of index formula asks you the area number. If I select the third yellow cell which is pointing to the digit 2, you can safely assume in the sequence of chessboard that you had chosen earlier, the data will be pulled from the second chessboard, which is in this case is this one, unaudited results. So enter 497. Let me check. I'm just making a bold and underline. So if you notice, East Q303 is not 606 but 497. Why? Because I have put in the source as 2. Had I put in digit 1, the answer would have been 606. This is extremely useful when you have the same structure of data but replicated multiple times, and that could be because it may be audited, it may be unaudited, or it may be coming from different sources, or it may be of different products. So source 2 answer changes, source 1 answer changes, and the index match equally work their magic when you change the two inputs based on region and quarter. So that's a very good application, especially in the area of financial modeling. If I had to repeat this formula, let me do that quickly. Index, the first very important part is you must add one more bracket so that you can enclose these two chessboards, F4, comma. Now is the turn of the second chessboard, F4, bracket close. Now please note, you can choose the sequence of chessboard like this, first being this, second being this. That will affect the area number pulling up exercises. So comma, match, first focus, look up value south, comma, that must be looked into the vertical common link. You could have also chosen from here as well, because the same set of data is present along with the same sequence. So let me just be consistent. I'm choosing the array, vertical common link, which is chosen, F4, comma, 0, bracket close. Another match formula, this time looking up for the quarter, comma, headers chosen, F4, comma, 0, bracket close, and comma, Lastly, to choose the area number so that I can specify from which of these two chessboard the answer must be pulled in. So 249, southern region, Q403, 249. If I change this to 2, answer shall change to 280. So give it a good amount of practice. Very, very important application. See you in the next video. Thanks for listening to this one.